It's a collaborative space with a passionate team.
Energy-filled environment.
Our ideas turn into reality faster.
Creative freedom.
Feeling convergence of ideas.
My suggestions are always encouraged.
Equal professional and personal growth.
Opportunity to experiment.
Alignment in personal and company values.
Having fun with technology.
A place that let me try new things.
Living to the fullest.
Driving the excellence.
It's my happy place.
Converting ideas to innovations.
Reinventing my passion.
The place that redefined me.
A home away from home.
The people.